Hello and welcome to another how-to video. Today I'll be showing you how to install a headboard to a divan bed base. This is what comes with your headboard, these two wooden struts and also these four silver bolts here. These larger bolts with the plastic ends came with the divan base, and what I've realized is you only need 4 of these, but you've got the option of using the longer ones or the shorter ones. Obviously the longer ones should be attaching the base in a more the longer ones should attach to the longer ones should allow you to attach the headboard to the base and make that stronger, but it will take longer to install, whereas the shorter ones will be quicker to install, but maybe the headboard will not be as strong in position. So I've opted to use the slightly longer ones. So the first step is to identify where the holes are on the end of your bed, on the head of your bed and the divan base. I've already identified these. There should be stickers like these to help you find them. If there isn't, just feel under the fabric and you'll be able to feel the wood part where there's a hole and the wood part where there's a hole. So I've identified my 2 there, and you just want to put the larger bolts with the plastic ends, screw them in, but leave enough gap so that you can put the struts in later. I left it to about there, but we can adjust that if needed. Now the next one, you need to sort of push it in to get it started, and it should easily go in once it's in the thread. To about there. Then we do the same on the other side of the bed. Harder with my left hand now because I'm right-handed. So if you would like to do it with the same hand, I would recommend you do this before setting up the bed, and then you'll be able to get around the other side and not have to use your weaker hand. That should do. So the next step is to screw the struts into the headboard itself using the silver bolts. You will need a flathead screwdriver for this. Again, there should be stickers for where the holes are, but if not, just feel. You should feel a little ridge and then a hole indentation. So I'm now going to screw these in. This one, I'm just going to get started with my fingers. So that is in. Now I'm going to get the other one started as well. And tighten it up with the screwdriver. Do the same with this one. That one is now tightly screwed in. Now we go on to the other strut. I've got them in loosely now, so I just need to tighten them up. Now they are nice and tight. It's time to put the headboard onto the bolts. What we're going to do is put them onto these bolts. This groove will go over the bolts. So this is how it should look, but what you want to have is the bottom of the headboard needs to be flush against the top of the mattress. So you need to adjust the height accordingly and screw it in at the right height. You don't want the headboard to be squashing the top of the mattress down. So once you get to the right height, you need to tighten up the plastic bolts on each side, and then it will be completed. So headboard's in position. I'm just tightening up these bolts. So now we've got the headboard tightened both sides, as tight as you can with your hands basically. Don't need any tool for this, and that's it. And this is how it looks from this side. Well, we hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have and you found it useful, please like, share and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.